You'll never want to leave this showstopper of a home located on a private lot here in Jordan Ranch. Welcome to 30846 Barred Owl Way. Come on in, let's take a look. We are proud to present this luxuriously appointed Highland home that features 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a study, game room, and a 4-car garage. As you enter the home, you are welcomed by hardwood flooring throughout the living areas, with a study with French doors on one side and a bedroom with a nearby bath on the other. Off the main foyer is a game room with glass barn doors. The open dining, kitchen, and living areas are great for entertaining, but the true heart of this home is a chef's kitchen, which features beautiful Benedettini cabinets, stainless steel GE appliances, and quartz counters with bar stool seating. The living room has a floor-to-ceiling gas fireplace with brick hearth and windows with plantation shutters overlooking the pool area. The owner's suite has a tall ceiling and room for a sitting area, while the owner's bath has dual sinks with quartz counters, a freestanding air bubble tub, separate shower, and 2 large closets. Off the living area are 2 more secondary bedrooms which share a full bath. The covered back patio is a perfect spot to relax or entertain in this fabulous backyard oasis on over 1/3 of an acre lot. With a pool, spa, outdoor shower, prep sink, and misting system, endless hours of fun and memories will be created here. Conveniently located to I-10 here in Jordan Ranch, you'll love it here at 30846 Barred Owl Way. Give us a call and let us show you why this is a perfect place for you and your family to call home.